Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook marketing course, I'm going to teach you about audience targeting. That what is audience targeting, how audience targeting works in Facebook ads and how you can do audience targeting, right? So let's directly get into my Facebook account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my Facebook ads manager, right? And this is the campaign creation process. I am into my campaign level, as you can see here. And once you hit the next button, you will be into your ad set level, right? So in ad set level, you get the audience targeting. I have already shown you the location targeting, how location targeting works on your Facebook ads. I've already shown you in the previous video. So now after location targeting, let's talk about audience targeting. So from here, from this audience section, the audience targeting works, right? As you can see here, right now, this is the bar. Here we do have a bar where it shows that how much audience, estimated audience size you have right now, right? So after step by step you will create your audience. The audience size will be narrowed down because you are specifically targeting your audience, right? Now there's one small recommendation that it should be the bar. As you can see here, there are three bars. The first one is specific and the second one is fairly broad and the third one is broad. So your bar should be in fairly broad or in specific, right? It shouldn't go in broad section, because if your bar is going on a broad section, that means you are going to lose tons of money, because in broad, no doubt the estimated audience size will be huge, but the money you will spend, that will be also huge in compared to the result you are getting, right? Now let's talk about audience targeting. So here we do have two options. The first one is create new audience. So if you want to create new audience, then you can use this option. Obviously we are going to use this option because we don't have any audience in our account, right? Now let's say you have created one audience and that particular audience worked well for you. You got good performance or good results from that particular audience. So what you can do is you can save that audience for later. You can use the same audience in your uh, upcoming campaigns as well, right? So where you will find that saved audience, in this option here. Now right now we don't have any saved audience because this is the totally new account which I have created to show you all the things from the scratch, right? That's why I don't have any audience here. Now let's start with the new audience creation process. I'm not going to properly show you, but yeah, what is the essence of audience targeting, I'm going to clarify that thing. Right now here you can search your custom audience. If you have created any custom audience, then that custom audience you can search from here. Now what is the custom audience? Let me click here on create new option. You get two options. The first one is custom audience and the second one is lookalike option, and this is the search bar for that, to search from custom audience and from lookalike audience, as you can see here. And if you want to search from both the categories, then you have to keep it this tab in all, right? Now what is custom audience? Custom audience is basically the audience which you have created, the or the audience which you have gathered from your website, from your page. How we can do this? As you know that we add a pixel code in our website. So what is the use of that pixel code? Pixel code tracks all the users, all the visitors who have visited your website, and it creates an audience of those users and visitors, right? So what is that audience is called custom audience, right? Now it is not limited for your website. You can create your custom audience of your page, Facebook page, the visitors who have visited your Facebook page, that can be also converted as a custom audience, right? Now I hope you understood what is custom audience. Now lookalike audience, let's say only 2000 people or maybe 5000 people have visited your website, right? So if you show your ads to only 5000 users, 5000 visitors, uh, audience, then your audience size is very low and you will not get, or you might not get good type of result with those 5000 audience only. So what you can do is you can use look alike audience option. What Facebook will do, Facebook will take those 5,000 audience and it will automatically determine the same kind of audience who have same interest, who have same demographics, profession. So all type of dimension once get matched, it will comes under look alike audience, right? And the number will be very huge, like 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, 40 million. So it will be the number of lookalike audience. Now you can run your ads and target to the same user who have visited your website, right? I hope you understood the point. Now, as you can see, right now we don't have any custom audience because we haven't created any custom audience right now in this account, right? So we'll be not able to see any custom audience over here. As you can see, no lookalike audience, no custom audience, right? First you have to create custom audience, then you can create a lookalike audience of that particular custom audience, right? So I hope this one is cleared now. Now if we go a little bit down, you get one option which is detailed targeting. So we haven't done any targeting right now because we don't have any custom audience, we don't have any lookalike audience. So to target your target audience, basically to select your target audience, you have to go to detailed targeting option, as you can see here. Now once you click on edit option, you can do your detailed targeting on the basis of 3 audience on Facebook. So you have to click on browse section, and here you will be able to see demographic level, interest level, and behavior level, right? This is the behavioral level. So let's start with demographics level. If I click on this, you get tons of demographical option like educational, financial, and life events, parents, if your audience is parents or not, if your audience is parent and they have a kid like 1 to 3 year or 6 to 5 year or like this, right? Then relationship and then work. So this is the option we get in demographical level. Then these are the option we get in interest level, right? As you can see, business, industry, and there are many subcategories as well. If you click on this expand button, you will see many subcategories as well. And this is where the real magic happens, right? You have to create your own audience which is perfect for your business, which is suitable for your business, who are willing to buy your product, right? Now let's start with the demographics so that I can show you. Let me show you some options. Like you can go with the education level, that what will be the uh, desired education level of your target audience. They may be on undergrad years or school field of study. Then if you click on education level, these are the options. In college, in grade, high school, high, or they are doing any doctorate degree, they are in college, associate degree. So these are the option you get in your educational level, right? If I close this one, then you get financial options. In financial you get income level. These are the income levels, right? 10%, then 10 to 25%, 25 to 50%, then top 5%. So these are the options you get in income level. Then this was all about financial. Then we have life events. In life events, if your audience is away from family, let's say you have a product which helps you, not you, your audience, to create or not create, to prepare food, right? And if your audience is away from family, away from their hometown, they might need a product that can help them to prepare their food, right? So this is how you can select the option. You can select these options: away from family, away from home. Then we have many other options in life events like anniversary within 30 days. If you sell any gifting products, or if you have a business that sells gifts, so you can select these audience who have anniversary within 30 days or anniversary within 30 to 60 days. So these are the demographic level, not demographic, yeah, demographic. Then we do have birthday. On a birthday level, upcoming birthday or birthday month, you can directly select the birthday month as well, right? So these all data Facebook have, and Facebook is offering these data to target your audience, right? So let me close this one, birthday. Then we get more options in friends. So it is totally up to you that how you think you have to pay attention to every option, that this option is suitable for my audiences or not, right? If you're thinking that creating Facebook ad is too easy, then this is not your cup of tea. It takes time, it takes efforts, it takes a lot of money, and it takes patience, right? You have to be patient. Then after life events, we do have parental options. If you are a parent or not, if you are a parent of 9 to 12-year kid, or if you are a parent of 18 to 26-year-old kid. So this is what we get in life, not in life, the in demographics, right? Relationship, then work. So this was all about demographics. Then we get interest. On an interest basis, you can also do targeting business and industry. If you click on expand button, you get these industries. Let's say you have a product which is for agricultural industry, so you can select these type of audience. If you select, the estimated audience will change directly. As you can see, you just have to select and the audience will change. Now the audience is 425 million to 500 million, right? So let me remove this one and go back to browse again. I was in interest. So then on a entertainment basis, family and relationship, fitness and wellness, food and drink, so tons of option are here. You have to check it out by yourself. Then on a behavioral basis, in behavioral we get anniversary, as I already shown you. So there the option was only 30 to 60 days, and here we get 60 to 90 days, right? Then we do have other options. Let me go to, yeah, then we get these options. If I click on expand button, as you can see, mobile users, then behavior, digital activities, canvas gaming. So these are the option you get in your behavioral option, right? So you, I've already shown you, you have to find out by yourself that which is your target audience, right? Now let me close this one, remove this one. Now there's one more option which is exclude. So what is the use of exclude? Let's say you have a product. Let's say you can do one more thing to target. You can directly search here, right? You don't have to go on a browse. You can directly search here. Let's say I'm searching digital marketing. I have a product. Oops. I have a product related to digital marketing. So I'm searching digital marketing, right? I directly search digital marketing and here I got the options, right? This is on a job title or employer or interest basis, behavior basis, or this is the interest basis. So I'm selecting the first one, digital marketing, interest basis, right? This is the estimated audience right now. Now let's say I want to target only people who are interested in paid marketing, not in organic marketing, right? In digital marketing we do have two options, paid and organic, right? So I want people who are interested in only paid marketing. So here I have selected whole digital marketing, and in whole digital marketing, organic and paid both comes under whole digital marketing, right? So what I have to do is I have to remove or I have to exclude the organic marketing. So what I can do, I will type SEO, search engine optimization, which comes under organic marketing, right? So here as you can see, job titles, interests, these are the, so I'm gonna select job titles who have job title of search engine optimizer, right? Who are search engine optimizer. So I'm selected. Now you'll be able to see that the search engine optimizer or SEOs are removed or excluded from my target list, right? So this is how you can do exclusion. And there's one more option, narrow audience, but I'm not gonna show you narrow, how to use narrow audience or what is narrow audience in this particular video. We'll talk about this on the next video so that you don't get confused, because if I show you narrow audience in this particular video, you'll get confused. So in this video we do have only this much knowledge or this much data. I hope you learned from this video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to learn Facebook marketing. I'll meet you in the next video where I'm gonna teach you about narrow audience, right? So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.